The Edo State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal, where they sit for Abuja, don't show say them not they happy. So the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and its candidate Ose Anenih not bring their witnesses to testify for the petition where they filed to challenge the result of the September 21, 2024 governorship election wey shele for Edo State. For the hearing wey shele on Tuesday for Abuja, the lawyer to PDP and Ighodalo Adetuji Onyeyikpo SAN tell the tribunal say most of the witnesses them plan to bring get travel wahala, say that na the reason why them not fit bring them come today, and come beg the court to give them another date. E come promise say for the next hearing they go bring as many witnesses as go dey okay for the tribunal, and them go work hard to prepare them well. The three-man tribunal wey dey led by Justice Wilfred Kpochi not happy with the situation as them talk say the petitioners dey waste the tribunal time. Say the tribunal don't ask other party wey also lodge petitions to challenge the outcome of the governorship election to take fresh date. Say wetin them dey yarn the courts not good at all. Justice Wilfred Kpochi con yarn the petitioners to call their witness, say them ready for them to come today. But the lawyer of the petitioners come back say the witnesses no go fit testify well after the travel wahala, and come ask the tribunal to give them another date, which the tribunal agree and adjourn the case till Thursday, January 30, 2025. Meanwhile, the witness wey dem discharge Oga Ose Anenih con tell the tribunal say though say na 4,519 polling units dey for Edo State, PDP and Ighodalo dey challenge the result from about 765 polling units. During cross-examination, Anenih wey be the Director of Research and Strategy for PDP admit say e no fit visit all the polling units during the election, say most of the evidence PDP gets na from reports wey dem agents and experts submit. E come also talk say many of the result copies wey the party agents give am for the situation room not dey signed, but he maintain say if the lawful votes wey people cast during the election be correct, Ighodalo for win the election. Under cross-examination from Dr. Oyenchi Ikpeazu SAN wey represent Governor Monday Okpebholo, Anenih admit say though them not get physical access to the BVAS machine used for the election, them still get screenshots wey them tender as evidence. E come also talk say them don subpoena INEC to bring the machines to the tribunal. For cross-examination by the APC lawyer Emmanuel Kala, the lead witness PW12 admits say INEC not train her to play any role during the election, say no polling unit result they handed over to am personally by any party agent. But when he answer another question, he talk say some local government collation agent bring the results straight to am, sake of say them not allow them access to the state collation center. He constantly talk say some copies of the election results for the form EC8A where them hand over to the agents not they legible, but also say e not correct say the majority of the results wey their agents bring not dey stamped by INEC, though say some of them not dey stamped. When the tribunal show on one of the exhibits, the witness confirmed say out of 16 copies of results, only 3 of them get stamped. But in talk say for them, that 3 wey get stamped mean a lot, say it represents almost 20%. The PDP and Ighodalo they asked the tribunal to nullify the election of Governor Okpebholo of APC, say Okpebholo not win the highest number of votes as the law require. Una go remember, so the Edo State Governorship Election Tribunal moved from Benin City go Abuja from January 27, 2025 due to security matter. The notice wey Moa Azubagudu, the Secretary of the Edo State Election Tribunal issue, talks that the tribunal go dey hold its sitting for the National Judicial Institute NJI wey dey Airport Road, Abuja. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From NJI Abuja, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.